There's actually a certain side of the flax that has to be used. So the one with the ridge here is facing the outside, and then the rest of it's on the inside. And then what you do is just fold this thing in half. You fold one half into a half like that. So then what happens is when you put the rice in here, it's not going to tip right out. It'll just be this little bit here to protect the rice. But then you need to put another one on, again the ridge that is facing the outside. You just put another one around so it acts like insurance for this very first bit. Like that. Okay. And once that's secure, just put some rice in. You
say that again?
2 tablespoons of rice approximately.
Alright.
You put the Chinese sausage in, a bit of pork in there.
Uncooked, might I say?
Then we just bury that with some more rice. Just enough so it's covered. And then what we do next is we get another leaf, remembering which side is facing upwards, which is the bit with the ridge on it. You wrap that around. And since this one has some holes here, I'll just put another leaf on, because we don't want that rice to fall out. And since it looks like we have enough leaves to cover up that rice, we'll be able to fold that over, like so. Also being careful that the side here doesn't have any holes in it, so just give it a nice little pat to make sure it's all packed down properly. And then we fold this end over and tie it with some string. Make sure we got the ends tied up securely like this. Okay, do the other side. And that pretty much does it. Set to go. We just chuck that in a pot to boil with all the other rice parcels.
Okay, tie it around for the knot and it is secure. Ready to cook.